Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to go through this DJI Goggle 3 collective lens. As you can see, when you purchase this Avatar 2 5 mode combo, they do come with this extra collective lens, -2 to 8. So for your eyes prescription, if your eyes prescription is not collective, so you have to use extra this collective lens to based on your eyes prescription. So what I will show you today is this HONSVR to send me this product to review. So this collective lens is based on my eyes prescription. As you can see, they come with this micro cleaning cloth for this lens cleaning. And then this is my collective lens eyes prescription. They come with a blue light filter. And then it comes with this nice case. So inside they have separate lens with a label L and R. The installation very simple actually. You just follow the instruction. This is for R, and this is for L. So you take out the R, so they do label A, B, C. So you have to follow that guideline. So this is original by DJI. You have to remove it. Just use your finger to press it, and then it will come out. And you can see that they have a label. The label very small. There you go. Then for the left side, also the same. So this is a C. Should be like this. Okay, you just pull out. So remove the sticker. And then just put in. Okay, there we go. So now left and right already inserted the HONSVR collective lens. Then we have to replace here. So very simple, just turn it and take out this cover and replace this. There we go. Okay, so they will mark as a center line. Then you should now have your collective eyes prescriptions based on your eyes. So I will put the link on the description below. You can go to check out their website, because actually they have doing a lot of this collective lens for this not only DJI, they also have a lot of these others VR goggles collective lens as well. If you think you need this collective lens, then you can click and purchase it, because the price is not too expensive, and then they come with free shipping. You just key in based on your eyes numbering, then submit to the next, add to the chat. So just wait for them to ship for you. So later on we will go and test this collective lens, see is it better than this DJI original collective lens or not. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next upcoming video.